So again we'll start from beginning. The XYZ company is thinking to liberalize its credit policy with a view to augmenting sales from the present level of 7,20,000. At present the company's average collection period is 30 days and the bad debts are 2% of sales. तो इस वक्त कंपनी 30 डेज का क्रेडिट पीरियड कस्टमर को दे रही है, 7,20,000 रुपीस का सेल हो रहा है और 2% बैड डेट्स हैं एट प्रेजेंट. The management believe that lengthening of the collection period, sales and bad debt will goes up. अगर क्रेडिट पीरियड को बढ़ा देंगे तो सेल्स विल इंक्रीज, बैड डेट्स लॉसेस विल आल्सो इंक्रीज. एट प्रेजेंट द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स हैड बिफोर इट 2 क्रेडिट पॉलिसीज फॉर कंसिडरेशन. तो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स के सामने 2 क्रेडिट पॉलिसी है, 2 में से कोई एक क्रेडिट पॉलिसी को इवैल्यूएट करके हमको डिसाइड करना है. द 2 क्रेडिट पॉलिसीज आर पॉलिसी ए, पॉलिसी बी. टोटल सेल्स आर 9,60,000 and B total sales are 10 lakh. तो प्रेजेंटली सेल्स 7,20,000 रुपीज हो रहा है, प्रेजेंटली 7,20,000. अगर ए पॉलिसी अडॉप्ट करेंगे तो 9,60,000, बी पॉलिसी अडॉप्ट करेंगे तो सेल्स 10 लाख. एवरेज कलेक्शन पीरियड 45 डेज, 90 डेज. प्रेजेंट पॉलिसी वी आर अलाउइंग 30 डेज. ए पॉलिसी अगर अडॉप्ट करेंगे तो 45 डेज हो जाएगा, बी पॉलिसी 90 डेज. बैड डेट्स एज ए परसेंटेज ऑफ सेल्स 4% ए में है, 6% बी में. तो प्रेजेंट बैड डेट लॉसेस 2%, प्रेजेंटली 2% है. ए पॉलिसी अगर अडॉप्ट करेंगे तो 4% हो जाएगा. जितना ज्यादा क्रेडिट पीरियड देंगे उतना बैड डेट्स के लॉसेस ज्यादा होंगे, मोर बैड डेट्स. तो 4%, 6%. द प्रेजेंट कॉस्ट पैटर्न ऑफ द कंपनी इज एज अंडर. वेरिएबल कॉस्ट पर यूनिट 50 पैसा and fixed cost 75,000 per annum. The sale price of the only product is 1 rupee per unit. Selling price 1 रुपया है और presently sales कितने हो रहे हैं? 7,20,000 rupees के sales. तो we can say presently we are selling 7,20,000 units at the rate of ₹1. Presently हमारे पास 7,20,000 units का सेल है और एक यूनिट 1 रुपया. तो 7,20,000 into 1 is 7,20,000. उसी तरह प्रपोज्ड पॉलिसी ए में 9,60,000 यूनिट्स वी आर सेलिंग, ईच यूनिट 1 रुपी. एंड पॉलिसी बी 10 lakh यूनिट्स वी आर सेलिंग, एवरी यूनिट 1 रुपी. There will be no change in the cost pattern of the firm with the increase in sales level. The firm's required rate of return on investment is 25%, such as the credit policy of XYZ Limited should pursue. 2 new points we have. The first new point in this problem is bad debts. Previous problem bad debts was not given. Here we have to take bad debts also. ये पहला point. और दूसरा point ये है कि proposed policy previous problem only one proposed policy was there, but in this problem we have 2 proposed policies, right? So evaluation of proposed policy. How I am making the changes? See carefully here. The same table. This is problem number 3. Evaluation of proposed credit policies. See, A policy, B policy. Days. Now see, 2 proposed policy. So particulars, then present policy, proposed policy A, proposed policy B. Totally 3 columns we are making. So credit period presently how many days we are allowing? 30 days. A policy we are going to allow 45 days and B policy we are going to allow 90 days given in the problem. Problem में दे दिया average collection period. Number of units. Presently we are selling 7,20,000 units. 9,60,000 units. 10 lakh units. Given in the problem. Problem is there. And the selling price per unit is rupee 1. Selling price per unit rupee 1. So 1 into 7,20,000. 7,20,000. 9,60,000. Here it is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Now variable cost at the rate of 0.50 given in the problem 50 paisa. 1 rupee is the selling price and 50 paisa variable cost given in the problem. Multiply 50 paisa into 7,20,000, 3,60,000. Here 50 paisa into 9,60,000, 4,80,000. 50 paisa into 10 lakh, 5 lakh. Fixed cost is given in the problem as 75,000. Remember, fixed cost will remain same whatever be the level of activity. Now add up 3,60,000 plus 75,000, 4,35,000. Similarly, 4,80,000 plus 75,000, 5,55,000, 5,75,000. These are the total cost. Now we'll calculate the profit. 7,20,000 minus 4,35,000, 2,85,000 is the profit. Here 9,60,000 minus 5,55,000, 4,05,000. Here it is 10 lakh minus 5,75,000, 4,25,000. Now how much is the increase in profit? So presently profit 2,85,000. A policy profit 4,05,000. So 4,05,000 minus 2,85,000. 1,20,000 is the increase in profit. तो A policy adopt करेंगे तो increase in profit 1,20,000. B policy के लिए 4,25,000 minus 2,85,000, 1,40,000. ये बेनिफिट है. A अगर पॉलिसी अडॉप्ट करेंगे तो 1,20,000 रुपए प्रॉफिट बढ़ेगा. अगर B पॉलिसी अडॉप्ट करेंगे तो 1,40,000 प्रॉफिट विल इंक्रीज. Bad debts at the rate of, presently we are allowing bad debts of 2%. This is a new point. Previous problem we don't have this bad debts. 2%, 4% and 6%. The present policy 2%. On what? On sales. How much are the sales? 7,20,000. So 7,20,000 into 2%, 14,400. Similarly, sales are 9,60,000 into 4%, 38,400. Here it is 10 lakh into 6%, 60,000. Increase in bad debts. Increase in bad debts. Now we subtract 38,400 minus 14,400. 24,000 is the increase. 60,000 minus 14,400, 45,600 is the increase in bad debts. ये cost है. This is a loss. अगर A पॉलिसी अडॉप्ट करेंगे तो 24,000 रुपए का और एक्स्ट्रा बैड डेट्स हो जाएंगे. अगर B पॉलिसी अडॉप्ट करेंगे तो 45,600 का बैड डेट्स लॉस हो जाएगा. अब उसके बाद एज यूजुअल इन्वेस्टमेंट इन रिसीवेबल्स. इन्वेस्टमेंट इन रिसीवेबल्स ये सेम पॉइंट है जो प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में था. अब व्हाट इज द टोटल कॉस्ट हियर? 4,35,000 into how much period we are allowing? 30 days. Now denominator we can take 360 days or 365 days, our wish. If it is specified in the problem 360 days, means we have to take 365. If the problem is silent, we can take 360 or 365. Here in this problem, it is not specified. So we take 365. Second, 5,55,000 into 45 by 365. Last one is 5,75,000 into 90 by 365. So we are calculating investment in receivables. 4,35,000 into 30 divided by 365. 35,753. Similarly, 5,55,000 into 45 divided by 365. 68,425. Last one, 5,75,000 into 90 divided by 365. 1,41,781. Additional funds. Additional funds invested in receivables, extra funds कितना increase हो रहा देखेंगे. तो 68,425 minus 35,753, 32,672. Similarly, 1,41,781 minus 35,753. 1,06,028. Now return on additional funds invested in receivables at the rate of, it is given in the problem 25%. Return we require is 25%. Now multiply 32,672 into 25%, 8,168. Similarly, 1,06,028 into 25%, 26,507. That's it. Now we have to make a trade-off between benefit and cost. Trade-off between benefit and cost. Trade-off between benefit and cost. Proposed policies AB. Benefit: increase in profit. Increase in bad debts. Return on additional funds in receivables. Same procedure except one change. That change is bad debts are given, increase in bad debts. So first of all, increase in profit. Increase in profit is 1,20,000, 1,40,000. This is the increase in profit. Now cost. Increase in bad debts. 24,000 is the increase in bad debts. And here bad debts increase 45,600. 45,600 is the increase in bad debts. Here it is. Last one, return on additional fund invested in receivables. 8,168. Next one, 26,507. That's it. Now we can calculate the total. 26,507 plus 45,600. It comes to 72,107. $67,893. Similarly, 24,000 plus 8,168, 32,168. 32,168. Now we subtract 1,20,000 minus 32,168, 87,000. That's it. That's the end of the problem. Conclusion. The conclusion is, it is suggested to the management to adopt proposed policy A. Proposed policy A 45 days का है, तो 45 days का proposed policy adopt करो. ऐसा करने से the net gain will be more. 87,832 is the net gain. अगर B policy को adopt करेंगे तो 67,893. 67,893. So in which policy, which proposed policy our net gain is more? A policy. A policy में 87,832. So it is suggested to the management to adopt the proposed policy A of 45 days. Since in this case the net gain is more, 87,832. That's it. Now we'll start the problem number 3. Problem number 4. The management of ABC Company Limited contemplating an increase in credit period from 30 days to 50 days. The average collection period which is at present 40 days. देखिए, presently company जो time period allow कर रहा है वो 30 से 50 days तक का allow कर रहा है और उसका average है 40 days. तो we are not concerned with 30 to 60, 30 to 50. 30 to 50 के बीच में average collection period at present 40 दिन, 40 days. तो we can say presently we are allowing a credit period of 40 days to the customers and is likely to increase to 60 days. तो एक ही proposed policy है. Present policy we are allowing 40 days, proposed policy we will allow 60 days. It is further expected that bad debt expenses will increase from current 1% to 2% of sales. Presently bad debt losses are 1%. Proposed policy it will become 2%. Total credit sales are expected to increase from the level of 25,000 to 40,000. Presently 25,000 units are sold. Proposed policy will make it 40,000. The present average cost per unit 16 rupees and the variable cost per unit 12 rupees. तो average cost में से variable cost को निकाल दो, we'll get the fixed cost. Then selling price per unit 20 rupees. The management expects 20% return on investment. Should the management lengthen the credit period? ये पूरा format, same format we'll get. The only thing is, instead of 2 proposed policy, now we will have only 1 proposed policy. And in working note, we will calculate. Average cost per unit is equal to, what is the average cost per unit given? Average 16 less variable cost per unit is equal to 12. So 4 rupees remaining, this is fixed cost per unit. Fixed cost per unit. Present number of units. Is equal to 25,000. Therefore, total fixed cost is equal to 25,000 units into rupees 4, it will be 1 lakh. तो देखिए प्रॉब्लम में फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट नहीं दिया. फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट मालूम करने का मेथड ये है कि फ्रॉम एवरेज कॉस्ट वी सब्ट्रैक्ट द वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, विल गेट द फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट पर यूनिट. दैट पर यूनिट फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद प्रेजेंट नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स. प्रेजेंटली 25,000 यूनिट्स आर सोल्ड. तो 25,000 into 4 is 1 lakh rupees. This 1 lakh rupees will remain same in the present policy as well as in the proposed policy. Now, we'll start. Presently number of units. How many units are sold at present? It is 25,000. And proposed policy it will become 40,000. So selling price per unit is 20 rupees. So number of units 25,000, 40,000. Credit period. The credit period presently we are allowing 40 days. Proposed policy 60 days. Number of units, selling price 20 rupees. So multiply 20 into 25,000. 25,000 into 20, you will get 5 lakh. 40,000 into 20, you will get 8 lakhs. The variable cost per unit is 12 rupees. Multiply 12 into 25,000. 3 lakh. Then 12 into 40,000. 4 lakh 80,000. The fixed cost will remain same. 1 lakh. Profit. 5 lakh minus 4 lakh. 1 lakh. Then 8 lakh minus 5 lakh 80,000, 2 lakh 20,000. Then increase in profit from 1 lakh to 2 lakh 20,000. 1 lakh 20,000 is the increase in profit. Bad debts at the rate of 1% and 2%. So 1% on sales, so it will be 5,000. 2% on sales, it will be 16,000. 8 lakh into 2%, 16,000. 1% of 5 lakh, 5,000. Increase in bad debt, 16 minus 5 is 11,000 is the increase. Now investment in receivables, the total cost is 4 lakh into 40. Is the number of days given? Not given. We treat it as 365 days. Here it is 5 lakh 80,000 into 60 by 365. Now we calculate 4 lakh into 40 divided by 365. 43,000 836. Similarly, 5 lakh 80,000 into 60 divided by 365. It is 95,342. Now additional funds invested. So 95,342 minus 43,836, 51,506 into the percentage return is 20%. That is 10,301. Finished. Now trade-off between benefit and cost. Same table. Previous problem, 2 proposed policies, but now we have only 1 proposed policy. Increase in profit is 1,20,000. Increase in bad debts 11,000. Return on additional funds invested in receivables 10,301. Now we subtract 1,20,000 minus 21,301. It comes to 98,699. That's it. Now we can make the conclusion. It is suggested to adopt the proposed policy of 60 days. Presently 40 days follow कर रहे थे, उसको 60 days बना दो. अगर 60 days बना देंगे तो there will be a net gain of 98,699. इतना प्रॉफिट बढ़ेगा कंपनी का. That's it. Next problem. Problem number 15. Problem number 5. Sorry. Premier Steel Limited has a present sales of rupees 40 lakh. 40 lakh रुपए का सेल कर. The unit sale price is rupees 20. Variable cost 12 rupees per unit and fixed cost of 5 lakh rupees per annum. Fixed cost is directly given. Number of units are not given. Present sales 40 lakh and selling price per unit 20 rupees. एक यूनिट 20 रुपए में बेच रहे हैं, 40 लाख रुपए का सेल हो गया. तो नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स मालूम करने के लिए टोटल सेल्स डिवाइडेड बाय सेलिंग प्राइस पर यूनिट. टोटल सेल्स डिवाइडेड बाय सेलिंग प्राइस पर यूनिट. तो 40 lakh divided by 20, you will get number of units. You may get 2 lakh. Then the present credit period of 1 month is proposed to be extended to either 2 months or 3 months, whichever will be more profitable. Present credit period 1 month है. अब proposed credit period या तो 2 months लेंगे या 3 months लेंगे, whichever is more profitable. तो 1 present policy column and 2 proposed policy column. A proposed policy and B proposed. The following information is available. Credit period 1 month, 2 months and 3 months. 1 month का मतलब present credit period, 2 months A policy और 3 months B policy.